Actually, it was a surprise kind of a mail which said that you have been awarded this, but if you don't come to Cannes, you're not going to get it. Everyone thinks that there's a stigma attached to these places, that it is not for Indians, you know. But, it is good to break all these rules.
You've seen the Ahsoka trend?
Yeah, a lot of people have been giving me this. They're saying that I should get a copyright and all that. So I said, let them enjoy. I know. Hi, I am Santosh Sivan. I am at Cannes with Sucharita.
Mr. Santosh Sivan is here at Cannes. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Getting the Pierre Ingenue Tribute Excellence in Cinematography Award. Many, many congratulations. Deakins has won this, Aykroyd has won this, and now in 2024, Mr. Sivan is winning. So when did you find out that this award is coming to you?
Actually, it was a surprise kind of a mail which said that you have been awarded this, but if you don't come to Cannes, you're not going to get it. So it is like a threat actually. They said that we find that you are one of the most interesting person to give this award to this year, and it has been received by very many greats. So please come and take it.
A female cinematographer, Modagra Palit, did get a special mention a couple of years ago in the same category, but this is really the first time an Asian cinematographer, so from all over Asia, that you're actually getting the tribute award. It's taken you 55 feature films to get here, Mr. Sivan?
55 feature and 50 documentaries.
Yes.
But it's also true that I also became the first person to be invited by the American Society of Cinematography.
Correct.
So that was a very big high, because everyone thinks that there's a stigma attached to these places, that it is not for Indians, you know. But, it is good to break all these rules.
How has Cannes been for you this year?
Cannes is fantastic. It's the first time I'm coming here.
Yeah. Even though your films have been here before.
Yeah, my films have been here before, but I've never actually come. But I think this is an amazing festival. I've actually been to most festivals, you know. My film, The Terrorist, was the first film in Sundance.
Right.
And then it also was nominated for the Independent Spirits Awards. Okay. And then I was in the jury of the Busan Festival. And surprisingly, I was in the jury along with Anna Karina, the actress.
Yes.
So that time when I was with Anna Karina, all these people in Cannes who had come there wanted to take pictures with her. And she would say, Santosh. And Anna Karina is a very funny person. No, she's no more, unfortunately. She was married to Godard. And she will say that Godard was so belief in everything that he even named his dog, Come Here, so that he doesn't have to call a name and say, come here.
Yeah, he was just like, come here.
Come here.
Man of few words.
Yeah.
One of your collaborators, Shaji and Karun, has been one of the most celebrated Indian filmmakers at Cannes. He's come here with multiple films.
Yeah.
Your film was here with him, and the film that you worked on together. And he was the last filmmaker who did get the Palme d'Or nomination 30 years ago, which has happened this year with Payal Kapadia's film. Yeah. Have you spoken with Payal? Have you met with her? She's from the Institute. There's 2 Institute directors here this year.
Yeah, I'm also from FT. I'm very proud of the fact that they've...
Maisam Ali and Payal Kapadia.
The films are here. In fact, Shaji Karun has given me a tribute, and he told me such a big thing, and I'm very good friends with him. And he's a true artist. So I'm looking forward to these films, but I don't know if I get an opportunity to see it. Because, I come to Cannes and I've been only giving interviews. interviews. They pack my day so much that I go back home tired. I've not been able to travel. I come with my family, actually. They have traveled to Monaco and they're going around seeing this.
Santosh is just sitting and talking.
Yeah. And doing master classes and,
there's also a movie from India called Santosh here.
Yeah.
In the person regard.
A lot of people thought that I made a film on myself. So I said it's not about me. Santosh is a very common name in India, and it means contentment.
Yeah, it's actually a female character who's named Santosh in that film.
Yeah.
Sandhya Suri.
Someone told me actually. I think it's very good that the Indian presence is
very strong.
Growing, yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, I met one of the programmers who was telling me great things about the Indian presence here, actually.
Yeah.
I was having lunch with her.
Lovely. Now we're at this beautiful venue, but Santosh sir is just sitting and giving interviews. He's not able to enjoy Cannes. But when you do have time to enjoy Santosh sir, when you're sitting by yourself and What is it that you like to do? Do you like to watch things? Because we're so overexposed with so many visuals just coming at us non-stop these days. Do you find time to watch things? And if yes, what do you watch?
Actually, I like reading.
You like reading? Yeah.
And also, I feel I like traveling out. Of late, I've not been able to do all that because I've been busy filming Lahore 47. Then I'm doing this film called Shivaji with Ritesh Deshmukh, Marathi film on the great warrior. So I've been very busy. And then on another friend, I'm doing a film called Zoni, Izadu, on Habba Khatun, the Kashmiri poet.
Oh, lovely. Are you
shot-
directing or shooting?
I'm directing it.
Oh, lovely.
I shot about 15 days already. I'll show you a teaser
Please.
of it if you're good to me. Yeah.
Oh, I have to tell you this though. Halo.
Ah.
I have such clear memories of watching that film as a child.
Yeah.
I was very young. I was like about 10 years old maybe when that film, I was on 1988. So around 10 years old roughly.
Yeah.
And I remember crying and I remember so moved about this child who's lost her dog and everything. So I have to tell you that film left.
Actually, it's true because recently when I was doing Lahore 47, Amir Khan had a first lady who became a filmmaker and she told me I became a filmmaker after seeing Halo.
Halo?
Yeah. So I was and she is a very talented one actually.
Now, another one of your old films that is currently going viral on the internet, on Instagram. I don't know if you've seen this. You've seen the Ahsoka trend?
Yeah, a lot of people have been giving me this. They're saying that I should get a copyright and all that. So I said, let them enjoy. Yeah, I know.
Have you seen those videos?
So many of them. Actually. Yeah.
It's insane.
Yeah, Sansana. Karina will be happy, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, all these makeup influencers doing makeup on your song, Sansa Nana Nana. It's really wild. Now, you've already given 2 master classes
Yeah.
and you have the big main one is tomorrow.
Tomorrow, and then we have the red carpet and the award function. Day after.
What is this masterclass going to look like, sir? Can you give us a little sneak
Masterclass?
preview? The big masterclass tomorrow.
Masterclass, normally there's someone called Jordan who has been researching all my films. So he is going to play some clips of mine. He will also play the teaser of the Suri, the film I'm directing. Then we have a lot of tributes by people like Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, Shekhar Kapoor, Meera Nair. All that will be showcased where they talk about basically good things about me. So all that is very interesting because, you also start rediscovering this is how people think about you that way. So that's what I felt actually. So that's going to happen. That is about it.
I can give you a list of films if you want to watch something, okay? Because I've watched a lot of the films and I can tell you which ones are the good ones.
Really?
Yeah, if you have some time, I'll tell you.
Yeah, but they won't let me go because after your interview, I must be having about 8 of them lined up.
Many interviews like
So after that, I'm so tired, I just go back and
I'm so sorry, Simon.
I go back after the award function. I go back to Bombay and start shooting again.
But you're ready for the red carpet with all your fancy clothes and everything for the big red carpet over there?
Fancy clothes have been given to me by my Bombay stylist Pranal. I don't know if you know Pranal and Fareed.
Right.
They actually have done all my costumes.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for chatting with me today, Santosh sir.
My pleasure.
So lovely to meet you and I'm such a fan. I'm such a huge fan. This is a great honor for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much.